Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a little video about Vieve. This, obviously if you enjoy this video I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, but let's go. Okay, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, Vieve is a brand by, why am I so close? You can come back in a minute, but Vieve, unless you don't know, is a brand by a fellow Scot, Jamie Genevieve. Congratulations, Jamie. She's been on YouTube for a very long time, and I just think that she's really down to earth. She's really nice. She reminds me of myself in a lot of ways. She's a little bit younger than I am, and she has done incredibly well for herself. So I'm incredibly proud of her, and I think that she will do very well. Anyway, now that that's out of the way, I didn't manage to get very much because I had just purchased, if I'd known, just purchased the Cash Beauty entire collection, which was quite expensive, and then obviously there was this little bad boy that I've just reviewed. I will link it up there for you if you want to go and see it, which is the collaboration with Colourpop and Raw Beauty Kristi. I just reviewed the other collaboration with Pure and Raw Beauty Kristi. I just bought the Mitchell palette made by Mitchell palette. Where is it? Oh, up here. So it was just too much. I might still get it, but I might still get more, and she came out with so much as well. So I never got her palette because her palette was very similar in tones to Kaylee's, and I just thought I don't need two of them just now. So I've held off on that for now, but I will be purchasing it, or I will get the next one that she does, which hopefully won't be quite so like neutral toned, because I know that she wanted to start off with a neutral tone palette, but it wasn't going to be the be-all, end-all. Anyway, she came out with highlighters, she came out with lip products, lip liners, lip sticks. I already have her lipstick collaboration with MAC, and I really hope, obviously I think that there'll probably be things in place that means that she wouldn't be able to replicate this 100%, but I really hope she has one that matches this for when it runs out, because I am using it very sparingly these days. I'm going to use it today because I didn't buy a lipstick. But I got a highlighter. I had to get this one because the one I actually wanted, which is the one that she uses, sold out, which was the medium sort of toned one. And I got a lip liner as well. I know it looks like not an awful lot, but these things aren't cheap. I bought the entire range of the Cash Beauty for, I think it was on offer for €86 or something like that. Now, that was a palette, 3 lip kits, and 3 sets of lashes. So I'm pretty sure that the lip kits, like, you know, the lip liner and the lip stick being in one made it a lot cheaper, whereas hers are all separate. I kind of wish she'd done kits, but who cares. I had to get this lip liner. This is the lip liner in Tailored, and I obviously got, I'm not on form today at all, and I got the highlighter in the shade Bijou. I do like the names that she names things. Okay, so first and foremost, I like the fact that her outer packaging is very thin. It kind of feels flimsy, but there's no need to have massively thick cardboard when it gets thrown away anyway. You know, what's the point? Save the planet and all. And this is the packaging for, all of the packaging is the same. So this is the packaging for the little highlighters, and obviously the palette is just like a bigger size kind of thing. It's got the little gold detailing on the front, where it says Vieve. It's got the faux sort of leather material on it. Everything is vegan, everything is cruelty free, it's gluten free, paraben free, fragrance free, all that good stuff. So like I said, I only bought the 2 items. If you want to see more, let me know what ones you would like to see and give me a excuse to buy them. So first and foremost, I'm going to use the lip liner, and this is my first time using these products, by the way. I haven't even touched them until now. And creamy, nice and pigmented. I look like I have a mustache. Almost got a tiny bit of a purple hue to it. I'm going to take the MAC Jamie Genevieve collaboration. Nice. Exactly what I wanted. Just a really nice lip liner. I think it's going to go with lots of different nudes as well. It's got a little bit of a purpley hue to it. It's weird. I do like it though. Nice and creamy. Went on really nicely. Really pigmented right off the bat. So this is the highlighter. I'm going to take a swatch. I like the fact that it's got the V in it. That is it there. And what I really liked about this highlighter, and what I was really intrigued about, and I hope that she comes out with like lots of different shades, is that it's really good for sort of drier skin types. I have dry skin, as we all know, if you've watched my channel for any length of time. And highlighters can sit on top of the skin. I like a highlighter that will sort of almost melt into the skin. Some highlighters can be like really nice, and they can just sort of like just completely fluff off. I like one that you can sort of buff in almost. And it looks like this is going to be that kind of one. Right, so I get it on there, and then oh wow, it looks wet. No cast. No cast from the front, which is a biggie, and I'm pretty sure she mentioned that as well. In like my mirror, and in reality, it's weird because it doesn't like come up like a line. It actually like catches in all different areas at the same time. I think that for like, this might not work because of my tattoo, but like I think for like a body highlighter, if you're going out and stuff like that, this will be gorgeous because of the dimension in it. It doesn't come up like a spot, like a spotlight. Don't mind my janky fake tan. I really need to sort it out. But you know what I mean? Like it's, that I really like. It sticks to your face as well. You don't have to wet it. That was on with like a fluffier type brush. I'll put on the screen how much this was as well. This one has a little mirror in it. Has it got a... You need to give us peely things. I like to peel things. Even if it's paper, just stick a wee thing on it so I can peel it off. You're taking away my joy. So yeah, that is pretty much everything. Like I say, I only got the 2 things. If you think there's something that I absolutely need from Vieve, or something that you really, really, really want to see reviewed but you can't justify buying it, let me know, because I do want to dip my toe in a little bit more and get some more stuff. I don't know when she's coming out with more stuff. It was a really big launch that she did actually, for like a first ever launch, so congratulations Jamie. I think it is fab. I can't wait to see what else you come out with. And you know what, it would be really nice to collaborate with Vieve. It's never going to happen, but I did see when Robbie E. Christie put into the universe about this palette, not this palette, Robbie E. Christie a long time ago put into the universe that she wanted to collaborate with Colourpop, and it happened. So I am putting out into the universe that one day it would be really nice to collaborate with Vieve, because it's a Scottish brand. I'm a Scottish person. You get what I'm saying. So this is me putting it into the universe right now. I would like to collaborate with Vieve someday. It's never going to happen, but still. Anyway, do I think that the products are worth the money? Yes, I definitely do. They are a little bit more on the expensive side. I don't know if she does Afterpay or that yet, but Christmas is coming, and I think that they're restocked, so you know. So yeah, that is it for this video before I keep rambling on and on and on, because I don't have to. If you thought about getting something, I would definitely recommend the 2 things that I tried, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos most weeks. If there's anything that you would like to see, then just let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video.